Hey everybody, how you doing out there? So I got a new headlight from Hogworkz. I got the Halomaker, so I'm going to put this on the Softail tonight, and we're going to see what this looks like. Let me spin this around. So here's the light that's currently on. I think this is a SunPi. I got this, I think, around 2016, so it's been quite a few years. It works fine, but I really like the Halomaker from Hogworkz, and I want to see what this would look like on my Softail. And also, I think this has more lumens. Let's get this out of the box and see what it looks like. This is the adapter plate. Depending on what model you have, you may need this. I don't think I'm going to need to install this. Since I'm putting this on the Softail, this should just be an easy swap. You might need this adapter plate, so make sure you check online for the fitment of your bike. Let's get the other light out. This one installed. A little bit about the Softail before I do the light install. So this is a 2005 FLST-NI. It's an 88 twin cam, but it does have a stage 2, so it's got the stage 1 Screaming Eagle intake, stage 2. I put 211 cams in it, Screaming Eagle 211 cams, and updated the Screaming Eagle plate, and fixed that hydraulic shoe issues, so I got the updated system in here. But she runs amazing. These are Vance & Hines pipes. I know it's real filthy right now, I gotta clean her up. I really love this bike. It's really stripped down. I put the Lepera seat on it to give it a real low profile and clean it up. Looks pretty awesome. And you'll notice it's got the passing lamp delete. So I don't know, I think on the Deluxe this looks really cool with no passing lamps and turn signals moved up to the handlebars. So let's get the old light out, put the new one in. First thing I'm going to do is throw a cover on the fender, just so I don't drop any tools or anything on it. So for putting it on the Softail, I won't need the extra wire harness that came with it. This is a straight 3-prong plug that's just gonna connect right up. Something I definitely like to do when I make a connection on my bike, whenever possible, just for added security, I like to put some electrical tape on it, so I'm going to do that where the connection is here. Alright, so the DOT is at the top, and the Hogworkz logo here is going to be at the bottom. And she should fit right in there, those little notches right there. right, there you have it. Hogworkz, Halomaker. I'll put the link in the descriptions as usual, or just go to hogworkz.com. I really like the stuff they make, and this thing is really cool. And this light's been around for a while, so it's you know, been proved by the test of time. So it's a good product. I'm confident of that, and it looks great on the Softail. It would look good on that thing too, especially if you got like a blacked out bike or something. But it looks really cool on this thing. I love it. All right, shout out to Hogworkz, and all you guys, thanks for watching, supporting the channel, all that good stuff. Appreciate y'all. Love you. Keep the shiny side up. We'll see you on the next video. See you. Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.